You'll get to know how you could get rich without anyone knowing. Make sure to watch this video till the end, as the 7 tips discussed in this video are all important for you to know and follow. Now let's start. Number 1. Cultivate the skill of spending less than you earn. Wealth accumulated steadily often starts with disciplined choices. In a society that celebrates outward displays of achievement, larger residences, high-end vehicles, lavish getaways, the genuinely affluent frequently operate discreetly. Living below your means is not a matter of sacrifice, it is about making deliberate choices. By earning $120,000 while maintaining a lifestyle akin to that of a $75,000 income, you establish a significant financial buffer. Your margin serves as your financial cushion. The initial step towards building lasting wealth is to minimize lifestyle inflation. Every increase in salary, bonus, or additional income should not necessarily lead to an uptick in your spending habits. Focus on maintaining your spending within a manageable range and allocate any excess funds towards investment opportunities. Implement automated transfers into your brokerage accounts, retirement plans, and high-yield savings to optimize your financial strategy. When your finances operate on autopilot, your personal biases remain detached. The affluent who prefer to stay under the radar recognize that maintaining a certain image comes with a significant cost. While allure may draw interest, it is the accumulation of assets that provides true stability. Opt for dependability rather than superficial markers of success. Opt for a reliable vehicle rather than leasing the latest model. Consider purchasing a home that aligns with your financial comfort rather than overextending your budget for the sake of status. Financial tranquility flourishes in an environment where monetary stress is minimized. Number 2. Consider index investing as a stealthy wealth generator. Building wealth does not require insider stock tips or high-risk speculation. Steady financial growth typically results from a commitment to disciplined investing in diversified market index funds. Investing in low-cost funds that track the S&P 500 or total market funds has a proven track record of delivering robust long-term returns, all while allowing you to maintain a hands-off approach. Time and compounding are your greatest allies. By contributing $1,500 each month and achieving an average annual return of 8%, your investment could exceed $1 million in just 20 years. This approach does not necessitate public displays of success, high-risk options trading, or extravagant cryptocurrency investments. It necessitates a measured approach. Establish automatic contributions within tax-advantaged accounts such as a 401k, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA. Consider reinvesting your dividends for potential growth. It is essential to refrain from making impulsive buying and selling decisions in response to market fluctuations. Minimizing discussions about your investments can often lead to greater discipline in your financial strategy. Prudent investors steer clear of the pitfalls associated with constantly seeking approval for each financial decision. Wealth tends to grow most effectively when it is allowed to remain undisturbed. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial signs. Number 3. Develop various sources of income quietly. A single paycheck can be precarious. Diversifying your income sources can be highly beneficial. Nonetheless, it's important to recognize that not all sources of income require public disclosure. Rental income, dividend income, royalties, consulting, online businesses, and silent partnerships can all function effectively behind the scenes. Real estate serves as a timeless illustration. Investing in a duplex, a small apartment building, or several single-family rentals can provide consistent cash flow while maintaining a low profile regarding your financial achievements. Investment platforms provide opportunities for real estate investment without the responsibilities of being a landlord, utilizing options such as REITs or private syndications. Another strategy involves creating digital assets such as blogs, online courses, or specialized e-commerce stores that can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Diversifying your income streams can help minimize reliance on a single employer while enhancing the growth of your net worth. The essential strategy is to focus on reinvesting profits rather than elevating visible consumption levels. Silent wealth builders adopt an ownership mindset rather than merely focusing on earning income. Number 4. Maintain confidentiality regarding your financial objectives. Sharing your financial objectives can be inspiring, yet it may also lead to scrutiny, comparisons, and added stress. When others become aware of your commitment to saving and investing, they might begin to impose their own expectations upon you. There may be an assumption that you possess surplus funds for loans, gifts, or discretionary spending. Maintaining privacy is essential for fostering discipline. Pursuing financial independence discreetly allows you to sidestep the lifestyle pressures often imposed by your peers. It is advisable to decline unnecessary expenses. You have the autonomy to pursue unique choices without the need for justification. There is significant value in operating discreetly. When outcomes ultimately manifest, through autonomy, adaptability, and choices, further clarification becomes redundant. Number 5. Strategically eliminate high-interest debt. To preserve your wealth, it's essential to identify and eliminate any sources of financial leakage. High-interest debt, especially from credit card balances, can significantly hinder your financial advancement. An 18% interest rate can be detrimental, much like how compound interest benefits investors. Develop a well-organized repayment strategy. Focus on paying down the balances that carry the highest interest rates, while ensuring that you make at least the minimum payments on your other accounts. Once those payments are no longer necessary, consider reallocating them into investments instead of increasing your spending. Mortgage debt and low-interest loans can serve as effective strategies, whereas consumer debt typically does not offer the same advantages. Achieving financial independence is closely linked to the reduction of liabilities. Discreet wealth creators prioritize enhancing their net worth over merely increasing their income. When debt is eliminated, the pace of freedom increases. Number 6. Optimize your tax strategy for maximum efficiency. For individuals in the age bracket of 30 to 60, taxes frequently represent the most significant annual expenditure, particularly for those with higher incomes. Strategic tax planning fosters wealth accumulation discreetly while maintaining a low-risk profile. Maximize the potential of tax-advantaged accounts. Take full advantage of employer matches in your retirement plans. Evaluate the potential benefits of health savings accounts, HSA, if you qualify, as they offer 3 significant tax advantages. Long-term capital gains enjoy a more favorable tax treatment compared to short-term gains. Maintaining your investments over extended durations can help minimize tax liabilities. Municipal bonds may offer the potential for tax-free income under specific circumstances. Implementing a strategic approach to asset placement, such as housing tax-inefficient investments within retirement accounts, can lead to a notable enhancement in net returns. Collaborating with a qualified CPA or financial planner is not about being ostentatious. It's about enhancing your efficiency. Minimizing unnecessary tax payments allows you to preserve more capital for future growth opportunities. Tax strategy serves as a powerful tool for maximizing your financial potential. Number 7. Steer clear of lifestyle signaling. It is important to understand the distinction between true wealth and the act of signaling wealth. Wealth signaling refers to the act of acquiring certain items as a means to showcase one's status. Genuine wealth comes from possessing income-generating assets that operate quietly in the background. Numerous affluent individuals often choose to dress in a modest manner, reside in neighborhoods that reflect a middle-class lifestyle, and uphold everyday routines that may seem quite typical. Watch the video on the right side to know the signs that show a person is rich and hides his wealth. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.